Hi, and welcome to my video about how to best use a analog programmer on a Baxi Combi 80E. So this is the analog timer. So at the moment it's about, what's the time? 11:01, so about 11 o'clock. So what we need to do is we need to set the time to the correct time. At the moment this one is showing 9 AM. So we need to move the time forwards to 11. Okay, so now we need to set the programmer. Currently it's set to constant, which would give 24 hours a day the boiler permission to use gas to make heat. Moving it down to there, it's on timed. And then moving it down to here is on off. So the best position, the way it's designed to be used, is to have it on timed. This will give the boiler permission to use gas to heat up the radiators when you're in a time period of when you want the heat to come out. So to have a look to see which way it works, we can push these down every now and then. And then as the time passes, this is the arrow where the current time is. So at 5 AM, it clicks to being allowed to use gas. And then at 6 AM, it's stopping to use gas. And then at 8 AM, it's now using gas again, till 10:30, and then it turns off. And it stays off till 12 or quarter to 12, 11:45, back on till 1:15, and then it's off, and it will keep going till 4 PM, come back on, stay on till, what's that, that's almost 6 o'clock, no, 5:45, and then it's back off again. But you make sure that this arrow here is pointing to the correct time. So the correct time now is 11 AM. That's 11 PM. We're in the AM now. So there we go, 11 AM. So ideally, most people want heat in the mornings. So we'll put it from 7 AM till 10, off for an hour. 11:45 till 2:15, and then 4 till 10 PM, and then off during the night till 6 AM. Okay, that doesn't mean it's going to use gas during those times. What decides whether it uses it is your room thermostat, if you have one. If you don't have one, it will use gas during these periods, whether or not it's hot or cold. But with a room thermostat, you're telling the programmer, you're giving the boiler permission to use the gas, but only if it's below the certain temperature you've set your thermostat to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.